Etsy. Why new Etsy shop without sales for months? What to do? Avoid these two mistakes. Guys, let's move to amazing Etsy shop, KosmachArt, with custom portrait from Cooper for people, animals, in different direction, in different style. Guys, visit Svetlana Prokhorivska Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. It's for free for Etsy sellers. Let's move to KosmachArt.
Number 1. Favorite mistake of 99% of new Etsy sellers. Fill your Etsy shop's homepage immediately after opening. Be sure to use keywords making words of your Etsy shop in the Etsy store title, announcement, sections, about Etsy shop section. This work will help you make your Etsy shop and each listing visible on Etsy. It's so much important Etsy SEO work for new Etsy shop. Do it, guys. Number 2, mistakes in listings. In the first place, you should write what you are selling. Stefan did not write in the title description certain text, custom portrait from Cooper. You could add synonyms for second, third places, but for first place, specify the name of your product. Read more about title keywords in my ebook Etsy SEO 24. If you have many examples of items to order, add new listings under each example. This is increase your search visibility for your entire Etsy shop. For example, a custom portrait of a woman from Cooper and a dog custom portrait from Cooper are different keywords and different direction for searching. So you will attract much more customers, much more buyers due to this. Number 3, my recommendation for new Etsy shop. Go shop manager, marketing, sales and discounts and add all these sales and discounts that you could. For example, if person buy 2 or more items, he or she receive much more sales, much more discounts. Buy 3 listings, will receive much more discounts. Or simple run a sale, some percent, free shipping. All this make your Etsy shop much more visible on Etsy marketplace. Sell more with sales and discounts on Etsy. Guys, if you need help, subscribe to my YouTube channel and download my ebook Etsy SEO 2024 with examples plus 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers. It's for beginners with example. If you have any questions, write under this video and visit my Etsy shop How to Sell Crafts. Bye guys, this is Svetlana Prokhorivska.